Memory. The storage space in a computer is called memory. The data and instructions that are entered into the computer using input devices are stored inside the memory. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. This is the main memory of a computer. CPU can directly access this memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of a computer. Primary memory is further divided into two types. 1. Random access memory, RAM. 2. Read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. That's why it is also called volatile memory. It stores data and instructions given by the user and also the results produced by the computer temporarily. Read-only memory, ROM. Information stored in ROM is permanent in nature. That is, it holds the data even if the system is switched off. It holds the starting instructions that are required to start a computer. It is also called non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. This memory is permanent in nature and is not directly accessed by the CPU. It allows users to store data that may be easily retrieved. It is cheaper as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. They are categorized into three types: magnetic disk, optical disk, and flash drive. Secondary memory is further divided into magnetic disk, optical disk, flash drive. Example of magnetic disk is hard disk. Examples of optical disk are CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Examples of flash drive are pen drive, memory card. Magnetic disk. A device covered with a magnetic coating is called a magnetic disk. You can record and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. The hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using magnetic head. It is permanently fixed in the system unit. The most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and data files. Hard disks are available in a variety of sizes with storage capacities as high as 5 TB, that is terabyte, or even more. The CPU accesses data stored on a hard disk much faster than it can access data on a CD. External hard disks are also available. They are the hard disks that can be connected to any computer with the help of a USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be used to write and read using a low-powered laser beam. Compact disk, CD. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disk, CD. CD is an external storage device. It can hold up to 700 MB of data. CD drive is usually connected inside the CPU box but can also be connected using a USB port. Digital versatile disc or digital video disc, DVD. DVDs are now widely used in computers. They have now become a popular medium for storing information and video. The DVD is almost similar to a CD. Even the working is also similar. The only difference is that it can hold more information than a CD. DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc. It is used for storing a large amount of data and playing videos. The main difference between DVDs and Blu-ray disc is storage capacity. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB, Universal Serial Bus Connector. Pen drive. It acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as it is small and can be carried in a pocket and plugged into any computer with a USB drive. Pen drive has storage capacity of up to 1 TB. Memory card. It is commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 to 1.5 inches. These are used in mobile phones and digital cameras. You need to have a card reader to read the stored data on a memory card. Measuring the computer's memory. The basic unit for measuring the memory of a computer is byte. A byte consists of a group of 8 bits. For example, 10001011. That is, 1 byte equals to 8 bits. A group of 4 bits is known as a nibble, half byte. For example, 1001. That is, 1 nibble equals to 4 bits. Other units for measuring the computer's memory are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and so on. 1 kilobyte KB equals 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte MB equals 1024 KB. 1 gigabyte GB equals 1024 MB. 1 terabyte TB equals 1024 GB. 1 petabyte PB equals 1024 TB. 1 exabyte EB equals 1024 PB. 1 zettabyte ZB equals 1024 EB. 1 yottabyte YB equals 1024 ZB.